Okay. Hello. Welcome to the February 20th, 2019 Module 4 recap video. Pretty light day today due to the snow and weather. I understand that. So a couple people couldn't make it. A couple people had some kids that they had to watch. So hope you all had fun with that. Let's get on to what we talked about. So first thing we talked about is the Minnesota Conference. Again, that's about 2 weeks away. It's a week from Monday, the March 4th and 5th. It is mandatory. And expect to be there between 8 and 5 Monday and Tuesday. So start making arrangements now. There's no exceptions, right? You have to be there. You have to attend both sessions, full sessions. A lot of you have already been there and understand that. So if you have kids that need to be picked up and watched, or dogs or something or anything, just make sure you start making arrangements now, because you are expected to be there between 8 and 5. And again, if you don't attend a part of the conference, then you don't get certified. If you don't get certified, it's a pretty big price tag out of your pocket come the end of the year. So go ahead and make arrangements. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. I'm going to have final details next week, itinerary, things like that. Talking about do's and don'ts of bait. Pretty simple. A lot of you have been here, but again, just a quick refresher. All bait needs to be placed in bait stations, and or if it's PCQ, the loose bait, in burrows or bushes, someplace where unexpected hands or mouths can't get at it, and place where maybe a non-target animal isn't going to be. And always, again, easy blocks, talons, contract blocks, soft bait. Always make sure that they're in locked bait stations that need a key. And if the bait station is broken, make sure you get a new one. Again, don't leave new or old bait laying around. Don't just place PCQ like granular. I don't want you to put your granular and shaking around the yard. And never throw loose bait in an attic or a rock wall willy-nilly style. Always make sure that we're taking good care of where our bait is, and we're being precise with our placement, and we're being careful. So when eaten and or handled by the wrong individual, like a child or a dog or something, it could be very, very harmful, and it could actually kill one of them. So we don't want to be the reason anything dies, except for insects. Pyrethroids and pyrethrins we're going to talk about. Pyrethroids are an organic compound meant to mimic a natural compound from the chrysanthemum flower, or more the Pyrethrum family of flowers. It's synthetic, so it doesn't break down as quickly. Pyrethrins are a class of compounds derived from essentially it's the natural compound that the pyrethroids are synthesized to mimic. It also does have more rapid degradation in the environment. The important thing to understand pyrethroid and pyrethrins, for one, when you're talking about an application and what you're going to use, you may want to use a pyrethrin because it's got a quick knockdown, and you don't need that residual. But if you need that residual, you might want to use a pyrethroid plus. Customers may ask, and it's good information to have and knowledge to have about the products that you're using. All right, we're talking about springtails, silverfish, and soocids. Again, I'm going to just pause on the screen for a little bit. All right, that's going to do it for the meeting. Pretty short meeting today. I look forward to seeing you guys all next meeting. Make sure that we're there so we can get more information on the conference. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you next week.